Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rani here. Today we will be giving a beautiful ombre twist to the cold process soap. Okay, let's get started. First, make sure you are wearing gloves to stay safe. I have already measured my oils and mixed my lye solution. For this soap, I am using coconut oil, beeswax, palm oil, rice bran oil, and sunflower oil, and basil essential oil. This make a soap that feels soft and creamy on the skin. Once both the lye and oils are at the same temperature, pour the lye solution into the oils. Now it's time to blend. Using a stick blender, I will just give pulse once or twice. Now for the color, I have prepared 2 infused oils. Actually, this oil is remaining of that rainbow soap made in previous video. One is annatto seeds, which gives a soft golden yellow, and one with indigo infused oil, which gives a bluish tone. I am going to add infused annatto oil and mix well with a spatula. Next, I will split into 2 parts and add the infused indigo oil to the smaller container. This will create a gentle ombre from yellow to blue. Start with the light color, pour it into the mold and tap the mold gently to even it out. Next, add a little of indigo infused oil, mixed soap batter into the yellow batter and mix well and pour to the mold. Again, I will add indigo batter to the yellow batter and mix well and pour it to the mold. I will add the indigo batter little by little. Again, I will add indigo soap batter to the yellow batter and mix well and pour it to the mold. I will repeat this process until all the indigo infused oil is mixed in yellow color. Next, to finish, you can swirl the top, but I keep it simple. Now, cover the mold and set it aside for 24 to 48 hours. The procedure in the ombre design is you have to add darker color to the light color little by little. I have already added my essential oil, that is basil essential oil, and mixed well at the starting before splitting into 2. After 24 to 48 hours, unmold the soap and slice it into the bars. Now the bars needed to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. During this time they will harden. And that's it. Cold process soap with a natural ombre design made with plant infused oils. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. I would love to hear what natural colors you have tried in your own soap. You can already see the cutting video where the color fade from warm yellow to a cool blue. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy soap making.